possible solution to the Israel-Palestine conflict is the idea of having two separate countries, Israel and Palestine, living side by side. Palestine would be its own independent nation, existing next to Israel on the western side of the Jordan River. However, the exact borders between the two states are still being discussed and argued over. Palestinian and Arab leaders believe that the borders should be based on the lines from 1967, but Israel does not agree. Additionally, the lands of former Mandate Palestine, including West Jerusalem, would remain a part of Israel and not become part of the Palestinian state. This situation is complex and stirs strong emotions on all sides involved. Back in 1947, the United Nations put forth a plan to divide Palestine into two separate countries, Israel and Palestine. Unfortunately, Arab leaders rejected this idea, causing tension and disagreement. However, in 1974, the UN called for peaceful settlement and the establishment of two states, Israel and Palestine, living side by side with secure borders. They also emphasized the need to address the refugee issue. According to UN Resolution 194, the borders of Palestine would be based on the lines from before 1967. This resolution received strong support, with 165 votes in favor and only 6 votes against, with Israel and the United States opposing it. Since the 1982 Arab Summit in Fez, Palestinian leaders have embraced the concept of a two-state solution. However, Israel sees the Palestinian efforts to gain international recognition for Palestine as one-sided actions that go against a negotiated solution. Over the years, there has been growing doubt and disappointment with the idea of two-state solution. Polls conducted in 2009 showed that while a majority of Israelis and Palestinians initially supported this approach, however, their enthusiasm had waned. In 2014, 60% of Palestinians expressed their desire to reclaim all of historic Palestine. A more recent poll in 2021 revealed that only 39% of Palestinians still supports the idea of two-state solution. Numerous diplomatic efforts have been made to achieve a two-state solution, including the Madrid Conference in 1991, the Oslo Accords in 1993, and the failed Camp David Summit in 2000. The Arab League also proposed the Arab Peace Initiative in 2002, which did not succeed. The most recent attempt, the 2013-14 peace talks, also ended without success. A survey of experts in 2021 indicated that 52% of them believe that two-state solution is no longer achievable. Furthermore, 77% of these experts fear that if it fails, it could lead to a one-state reality, resembling apartheid. Experts David Pollock and Catherine Cleveland note that a majority of Palestinians now express their desire to reclaim all of historic Palestine. A one-state solution with equal rights for Arabs and Jews is now seen as an alternative option. The situation is emotionally charged and raises many difficult questions about the future of the region. Thanks.